Hi. Welcome back to the hsebox.com channel. This is a series of videos in which we answer 10 questions related to health, safety, and the environment. Please subscribe to our channel and enable the notifications bell so you can be alerted whenever we post a new video. In this video, we will talk about chemical safety. Let's get started. Question number 1. What is a hazardous chemical?
A hazardous chemical is a substance that poses a risk to human health or the environment when it is used, stored, disposed of, or released into the environment. This can include anything from industrial chemicals to cleaning products, agricultural pesticides, to medical waste.
Question number 2. What is the purpose of a safety data sheet, SDS?
A safety data sheet, SDS, is a document that provides important information about a hazardous chemical. It includes information on the chemical's identity, potential hazards, protective measures, first aid measures, and emergency contact information. The SDS should be consulted prior to working with any hazardous chemical.
Question number 3. What are some safety practices for working with hazardous chemicals?
When working with hazardous chemicals, it is important to follow all safety protocols. This includes wearing the appropriate protective equipment, such as safety glasses, gloves, and respirators when necessary. It is also important to read and follow all labels on containers, and to thoroughly clean up any spills or leaks.
Question number 4. What is the difference between a flammable and an explosive substance?
A flammable substance is a material that is capable of burning or catching fire easily, while an explosive substance is a material that is capable of detonating or exploding under certain conditions. Flammable substances are typically liquids or gases, while explosive substances may be either solid or liquid.
Question number 5. What is the purpose of a chemical hygiene plan?
A chemical hygiene plan is a written document that outlines the proper procedures for working with hazardous chemicals in a laboratory setting. It is designed to protect laboratory personnel from potential health risks associated with hazardous chemicals. The plan should include information on personal protective equipment, safe handling and storage of hazardous chemicals, and emergency procedures.
Question number 6. What is a hazardous waste?
A hazardous waste is any material that is no longer useful and is potentially hazardous to human health or the environment. This includes industrial chemicals, solvents, pesticides, and medical waste. These substances must be properly disposed of according to state and federal regulations.
Question number 7. What is a universal symbol for hazardous materials?
The universal symbol for hazardous materials is the internationally recognized hazardous material diamond. This diamond is composed of 4 colored sections, each of which represents a particular hazard. The colors used are red for flammable, blue for corrosive, yellow for oxidizers, and white for other hazardous substances.
Question number 8. What is the purpose of a label on a hazardous chemical?
Labels on hazardous chemicals provide information about the contents and potential hazards of the container. These labels must be clearly visible and easy to read, and must include information such as the name of the hazardous chemical, a hazard warning, and the manufacturer's contact information. Labels must also include the appropriate universal hazard symbol for the hazardous material.
Question number 9. What is the purpose of a personal protective equipment, PPE?
Personal protective equipment, PPE, is any clothing or equipment designed to protect the wearer from potential hazards. This can include items such as respirators, safety glasses, gloves, and protective clothing. PPE should be used when working with hazardous chemicals to reduce the risk of exposure.
Question number 10. What is the purpose of a hazard communication plan?
A hazard communication plan is a written document that outlines the proper procedures for communicating information about hazardous chemicals to employees, contractors, and other individuals who may come into contact with the hazardous chemicals. The plan should include information on labeling, safety data sheets, and training.
We hope that this video gives you a better understanding of health, safety, and the environment. If you have any queries, please leave a comment. and we would be glad to assist you. Check our website and our channel for more health, safety, and environmental topics. The link is in the description. Never forget health, safety, and environment are everyone's responsibility. Stay safe always. Bye bye, see you in the next video.